And big up yourself. We are here again. Wow. Wow. Alright, I tell you. Tell you, I tell you, I tell you, I tell you. Man, big up yourself. You a big up yourself. Just a coming off of the slave, We just say, sure. So we're tired, but as we say, we are here to occupy the time that we get. Because, as we say, Jamaica in a serious crisis, of the style of the energy, the government, the policy of the government is just let people confused day by day, So you don't know where they have to hammer it out and sort it out and put the real issues to the people them. So me just there, I try to just let me look at energy come across the platform, and to send out a strong message, a strong warning for the government. Know that say, well, the taxpayer of this country really fed up, really fed up. And we can understand the kind of buffalo soldier style where the government depends. The government is a buffalo soldier policy. And I wonder if Jamaican people really know when to question the Prime Minister by taking him in oneself to court for the people's money. And the wife that they took court for people land, for people property. So the government will take away your money and the wife will take away your values. So you see it? You see it? So this government not in a nothing with the Jamaican people them. It's not in a nothing with them. All they mean is to take away all what is rightly due and fair, So you're not gonna go by the wife and the money are go by the husband. And what kind of style this? Me pass up upon a platform. I'm here. Big up yourself, Anthony B. Big up yourself, though. I'm here. One name Veniesha Phillips. Because I don't know what the vendetta. I don't know. You can't the vendetta Veniesha. I know Mark Golden, you can't the vendetta for. And I don't know why you're so bitter and arrogant against your own self. Because me want to ask this serious question. It was the same Veniesha Phillips that was rubbing out, blessed one, that was rubbing out this administration when becomes a part of. Him say, them scumonging, them conniving, them wicked, them have no form of governance about them. And you will never embrace the Jamaica Labour Party. So who dare you? No, Ven, Papi in mattress. Who dare you? Rose, big up yourself. Who dare you? Now if you come a call up Mark Golden name in your mouth. Veniesha, have you have no form of accountability? Have you have no shame? Have you can be trustworthy? Because every traitor, may know when you come on to integrity, then have no integrity. So through you as traitor, you run go join the corruption massive. You run go join the Alibaba massive. So who is you or what Veniesha Phillips stand for? What to represent? Oh, I can see. So, you know, really, and I'm not going to deal with you know. You deal with your own self. Because you're supposed to remember what you speak against the party that you say you become a part of. So, I don't think you have you don't have no form effect in your argument. You don't have no form of effect by speaking out against the party leader. Mark Justice Golden, Jerry, big up yourself. You don't have no form of integrity to do that. You understand me I say? You don't have no form of accountability to say anything about our dear beloved comrade leader, Mark Jefferson Golden. Because if you know become a part of the decepted party that you were said they decepted, and they were arrogant, you talk so many things against the party that you becomes a part of now. So, hear me I say, just go hold your corner, man. Just go hold your corner. Because right about now, you're like a home-dead dog, you know. You're like a home-dead dog. So, just go hold your corner. Just go hold your corner. Because you could have speak from now until the kingdom come. Nobody don't have no farmer rating to you. It's on the people that respect you now, and that even think them respect you. What they do, bring you as a traitor to tear down the People's National Party. But if you remember now, if you were have no farmer impact, you'd have win the division. So you becomes a homely political dog, you know. You becomes a homely political germs. You are in the corner of the decepted party where you becomes a part of. So don't call the comrade leader. Do not call back the comrade leader name in your mouth. The comrade leader was get invited to go speak to his diaspora people in Canada. And he gets a welcome. He get a warm welcome. And all the issues that's you, the deceptive party where you become a part of. All the issue that we in the Jamaica have, the diaspora have the same issue. And the party leader, the comrade leader of this great, read big up yourself, political movements. There was question being asked and how it can be solved. And the party leader, the comrade leader, were on point. You were on point. So you Veniesha, Phillips. I'm going to sit down, man. I'm going to hold your corner. You become a home dead. You become a home dead dog, you know. So just go lap you, look, shame me. Track tail and go one side. Go one side. And go beg your deception party if they can't put in at the Senate. But they say they can't get a post. You don't have no form of credibility to bring down the people of Jamaica. Because when you do such thing, and the people of Jamaica you have right against, you know. It's the people of Jamaica. So, me not believe in a traitor. I do not believe in traitor. Because if I was a part of a movement, and if things could not go down well with me and that movement, if I even go and join something different, you know, I maybe have to keep myself calm. Cause why me have to keep myself calm? When you were a part of the People's National Party, you were embracing them and you were endorsing their policies. But I don't know the vendetta what you've been carrying now from Jefferson Golden. And you usually tear down the said system where you becomes a part of now, the Alibaba system where you becomes a part of now. So how can you be trusted? What kind of clarity, what kind of influence, what kind of impact would you have up on the people of Jamaica? You become that traitor. You become that traitor. You become arrogant. You become that deceptive lady against your people, your division of the Papian division. So, one go up a fractal, man. Car, you're like an empty barrel now. So go and make the nice. Go and make the nice. You come like a cursing Nile, run out a cursing Nile store, run out a cursing Nile. I saw you were them black. And I know. The clarity feet, you know? So, man, you can big up yourself. So that's why I'm going to hold your corner, man. You are your deceptive party. You have the barber and your corruption party. So, I guess you going to adapt them attitude. I guess you going to adapt them style. And I come again. Mark Golden love Jamaica and have a art. He have an interest to when he become the prime minister. You can't stop that Veniesha Phillips. You cannot stop that. You can't stop that. You will see governance. You will see our system operate when it comes upon accountability. You will see the true leadership, because you know so the PNP have leadership in them. So I don't know where you're bitter for. Our, you want to become the party leader? Where you want to become? Yeah, I don't know what you want to become. Where you want the PNP administration for do for you, and then not do it. Eh? You coming like a dog until you want vomit. Veniesha Phillips, you me attack. Yeah, you're coming like a dog until you want vomit. So you cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted. So, belt of Mark Golden, our comrade leader for your chest, Jezebel girl. Belts off my party leader off for your chest. And go digest the corruption and the deceptive party style and attitude. Because you're going to vomit like you're going to vomit beer frat like a rum drinker. You're going to have a piece of upset stomach, you see. You're going to have a piece of diarrhea. You're going to get colic. Because history are in the making. History are in the making. So you can come with your arrogance and your vendetta style to come tear down the party leader. You're doing the party leader more good, more than bad. Because we're glad we get rid of you. Because you never make no sense. He got Veniesha Phillips. You never make no sense. You're coming like a shit on Jimmy Edge. One go join Munji B and Chopper John. Yeah. You know, I don't know with class you. Don't call about the party leader name in them out. Don't do it. You don't have that type of decency. You turn against your whole self. You not see it. So leave my party leader alone. Leave Mark Jefferson Golden alone. Cause we no rate you. We no like you. Cause anybody do not be truthful to their culture. You cannot be truthful to yourself. You cannot be truthful to yourself. You understand me? I say, same way, sir. Yeah, so you cannot be truthful to yourself. So, just go hold your corner. Share me puppy. Go hold your corner. You know, what we say? You're coming like a candle. We burn out. Until I don't say that. You don't have beer wax that leave. So I know you're inside bitter. I know you're inside aloe. So just go and go take a seat. You shouldn't have. Come on now. What kind of impact can you have now? To come speak to Jamaica people that you make a change. If you was a part of the People's National Party and you endorse the People's National Party and then you're gone over the Dissenting Party and come now and tear down the People's National Party and tear down the party leader. You know, nobody no rate you, man. Nobody no rate you. It's all who rate. They're not even rate you, know. I use them, I use you. Because if you look and see what they have done to Kim Brown Lawrence. Remember, Kim Brown Lawrence was more labor more than you know. And if they angle she like that, what the benefit you're going to get from the Dissenting Party? So they're going to just use you. So if I me like you now, me take myself out of politics. Me take myself out of public affairs and go live my private life. How you become wounded. You become a political wounded dog. So don't do it. Don't do it. Go one side, man. Get behind us, Satan. Go one side. You have no farm. No. You have no farm. You have no energy. Everything been done. You becomes a damaged good. You're fragile now, man. You're fragile. So go one side. Go one side. And leave my party leader, the integrity boss, alone. Leave the People's National Party alone. Because you can't change a victory at the poll. You cannot. You become rejected and dumped now when you come on to political. Sure. You becomes dead. I pass, I big up yourself. Just go one side. Do not ever, you do not have the audacity to come talk about my party leader. My party leader is a man of integrity. You don't have none. Now remember, it's alleged, you know, that you just wrap up with this and wrap up with that, you know. It's alleged. Remember, you just wrap up with this and remember, you just wrap up with that. And there was some vice note was going around with some all type of way that talk about you, Veniesha Phillips. So please go one side and go and sit. Go and sit, puppy. Go and sit, puppy. Miss Slashy, go and sit. And becomes the Carol Brown, big up yourself, and becomes the political basket for your dissection team, for your propaganda team, and your I wonder you have the Alibaba give you the bank book yet? Have the big up yourself. Have the Alibaba give you none of the bank account yet? So stop being ignorant against yourself and go one side. Let the political process transform in a way that is supposed to help the people of Jamaica. You are a part of the People's National Party. And if you sit there, you know, remember, you know this man, you know, you're a part of the People's National Party for decades. And if you sit there and hear your Alibaba leader speaking about the policies of the People's National Party and the PNP-ism, and you sit there and endorse it, you are a deceiver to your own self. You cannot be trusted. You have no form of political impact upon the people of Jamaica. So, you're just like an empty barrel, making the most noise. You come like a car will run out of gas. You come like a motor vehicle when need to be serviced. You are not properly functioning. You are not properly functioning. So go one side and sit and let people with integrity, let people that mean Jamaica say something. Say something. Because it's one of the hardest things for me. And I know many Jamaica, and I know many people would share the said sentiment like what I share. If I was a part of a system, and if I become arrogant and bitter, Anthony Smith, big up yourself. If I become arrogant and bitter, a part of that system where I used to defend, I would be cool. I couldn't establish myself, become speak on no farmer issues against the system that I was a part of and a tear down. You are tearing down the system that you're a part of. And I embrace the system that you were tearing down. So come on. Come on. Come on, Alibaba girl. A part of the Alibaba system, girl. What's happened to you? Eh? What's happened to you? The Alibaba system, girl. What happened to you? Go one side. Go one side. You should have been hiding. You should have taken away yourself out of political issues. What are there for you to come defend for the system where you usually tear down? And the system that you're being embraced, what are there right now for you to a tear down and a endorse the system that you were tearing down left, right, and center. Remember, Veniesha Phillips, you were a part of the system that you've been tearing down now. And you becomes a part of the system where you usually tear down. You becomes a part of it. So come on now. You becomes a Delilah. You becomes a traitor. You don't have the form of stability. You don't have the form of accountability. There is nothing about you. There is nothing about you. I wonder if your partner, your love life can be trusted. Because you're a part of my love life. And when you become a traitor to something that you usually defend, you know, that mean that for what you keep it. I wouldn't have no more, big up yourself right there. I wouldn't have no more trust and confidence in you. No more trust and confidence in you. So you're going to have some private life out of your real relationship. Because you cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted. No, you cannot be trusted. So why should you come, Carlin, big up yourself? Why should you come now with your Alibaba principle and your Alibaba style with your Alibaba leader and I come speak against my comrade leader, the man of integrity, the people of Jamaica dub him as the integrity boss? Can you speak of your Alibaba about integrity? Remember you said one called that man liar, and you said one called that man deceiver. You said one say you know you have nothing with that system there. So how you becomes a part of that system there now? How you becomes a part of that system? It is more question more than answer. So I have one now. Did they big up yourself? I want to know why the reason becomes a part of the system. It's alleged that Feder, the farmer, may have the KSSMC, you just give you some sweetheart deal. So, you will big up yourself. Yeah? The farmer, mayor, Feder want dilate. It's alleged that you usually get some sweetheart deal from them. So just to say, no love for Jamaica. Just to say, no believe in a Jamaica. Or how do you in it just to believe, you know ourselves to achieve. So you know, like a Delilah, that cut off the cut Samson's strength by deceiving him in his weakness, and you study him out and know him weakness, and then they cut off him here. That's a Philistine. Them could have come and have it. But remember, there are no secret. There are no secret for reality. Reality is always going to be there. There are no hiding place for reality. Reality is going to always be in the open. Because reality is an open calabash. Reality not carry closet. Carry skeleton in their closet. So everything being open and transparent to the public. So you have no secret for the People's National Party. You have no secret for the comrade leader. The only secret you have is among yourself. And you are going over to the deceptive party now. Me know they're not going to let you in them closet. It's only that what revealed to the people in the public. Maybe it's what, as far as you know, you have no, say the Prime Minister cannot give account for his illicit enrichment. You have no, say the party leader, your party leader, your Alibaba system, your Prime Minister, and your party leader, the Labour right, Alibaba system. Me don't know where they get yet. But me don't feel like I get nothing. Big up yourself, rush. I don't know if you get nothing. So Veniesha Phillips, just go one side. Go one side, because you have no credibility to come out and come speak like you know nobody. You know nobody. You know nobody. So just go one side. Go one side. And go hide yourself. Go and hide yourself under your wholeness, enrichment. Because you become the part. You become the part of that system. So you're not the impact, you're not the effect. You're just like a empty barrel. You're just like a vehicle that have no more service in it. You understand what I say? So you will never tear down my party leader and feel like you're gonna be successful. No. Because people who have integrity cannot have the impact upon people. People who become the traitor cannot be trusted. I don't think people listen to people that have no integrity. Mark Jefferson Golden, where the people dub as integrity boss, he has show his honesty. He has show his humility. He has show his charisma to the people of Jamaica. He has show the people of Jamaica that he mean them well. He mean them well when he take over the range of government. Because you fly high and you fly low. You and your Alibaba, your Buffalo Soldier policy, government will never get back a third term. Never. So you could have did them but on the way not out. On the way not out on the corruption. On the way be stumped by the 28 bank account. On the way be run out by the bad policy and the arrogant policy that you have brought upon the people of Jamaica. So are you then come fi put on a show and put on a play? Because you say, you look like an idiot. Thief in Prime Minister. Now no more attraction. He cannot get the job done. Veniesha Phillips, so you can get the job done. There are bigger people, there are bigger people in the Jamaica Labour Party more than you, know. When nobody now listen to, Veniesha Phillips. Thank you, rush them. There are bigger people in the Jamaica Labour Party when nobody now listen to. Them now listen to them. So how they should come and listen to you? When you abandon your division, you abandon the party that nourish you to let you have little highlight, to make you have little name. And what you have done, you have turned your back and the people have your division. You have turned your back on the party that give her some popularity. Huh? And then you come now. We say you want to tear down the people of Jamaica. The people of Jamaica, you try to them not listen to you, Veniesha Phillips. They have not listened to you. So just go one side. Go one side and inherit the embarrassment of your party where you support. Go and full joy the disrespect and the arrogancy of the movement where you become a part of now. Nobody, we don't rate you. Nobody from the People's National Party side now look at you. Worse, the people have supported the People's National Party. Like me definitely surplus. Me not like you. Me not like you, because I like Traitor. You know, see it? Me not like you. Me not like Traitor. So, when the People's National Party farm power, get government, you're going to be last. You're going to be last. So when you come with Veniesha Phillips, it's not going to be working. Nobody now listen to the Daryl Vaz. Nobody now listen to Haldisha. Nobody now listen to your Prime Minister. Nobody now listen to Holness. Nobody now listen to the Catbird Flint. Nobody now listen to Dumpling Jar. Nobody now listen to Warmington. And there's so many of them craft your administration when nobody now listen to. So people are going to listen to you now, Veniesha Phillips. What the impact should you have? Huh? The impact that you have now is only to put another nail in the Jamaica Labour Party coffin. That's the only impact you have. No, so don't fresh yourself and bite yourself with my party leader. Don't do that. Don't do that, Veniesha Phillips. Do not do that. So go one side. Go one side. Nobody know I hear you. When the people of Jamaica and across the diaspora listen to a Mark Jefferson Golden speak, they know that Mark Golden is the man to do for the job. They know that Mark Golden will be the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. They know that our affair that we pay keen attention to will take care of. They know that their stability will brought back to the citizens of Jamaica. The 28 bank account where the Prime Minister have and take himself to court, take him oneself to court for the illicit enrichment. That is a problem and that is an issue. So that's you supposed to go talk about Veniesha Phillips. I don't know why we are tell. It's out there in the public domain. It's out there. The reality is there. And it's alleged that all the offshore asset and the offshore illicit enrichment cannot be certified. Where they wash the money and send it all out. So I want if you have a private business where you run with the Prime Minister. I want if you have private business where you run with the Prime Minister. I have wondering if you have a private business where it's a part of the Prime Minister illicit enrichment. So that's all taxpayers' money do. go buy propaganda machinery and recycle people and put them back in front of the citizens of Jamaica. None of that. And none of the garbage. The people of Jamaica will take strong stand against the arrogancy of the party that you support, Veniesha Phillips, against the government that you, Traitor, support. Nobody has listened to Veniesha Phillips. You becomes a deceiver, and you deceive your own local division. You deceive the party that make you give you popularity. So you will do the same thing to them too. So them just have a spin upon them, just have you spinning like a record. For one of them out of the system, when they call them the components that are stereo, a turntable. They put it like a record and a turntable, just keep on spin. So you will spin and not get a forward. You will continue to spin and recycling yourself. And you're still gonna be the same. You're still gonna be the same Veniesha Phillips. So my party leader. My party leader is a man of integrity. Go speak to your Julie Cockburn Flint. That's what the people ask them for representation. They tell them bad word. Then tell them this one bagger. Way. Go speak to your prime minister wife. That's when the people talk about the garbage supposed to be collected. They become a part of the garbage. Go speak to them. Who dare you to come and speak about my party leader? Don't play. Alibaba girl, don't play with my party leader. Don't rap with my integrity boss. Get a hold of yourself. Go dance on the blue dot pole like and slide down on the blue dot pole. Go and dance on the green dot pole and slide down on it. And go beat John Crow. Don't have no manners. You're too bright. You're too bright. Why not go on More Peace Radio? Why not go on More Peace Radio? Because if can becomes a propaganda journalist. With the look of empty barrel talk. You come like a when man go to season. Don't do that. This is not the time for you now. You know, see it? You come like a when orange out of season. Sorry, out of season. So you don't have the form of stability. Go one side. Don't you ever call back my party leader name in your mouth again. Go call up your prime minister. We take control of 19 ministry under his belt, and the people of Jamaica cannot get the service of the institution they're supposed to set up that's supposed to benefit them. Out of season, girl, you feel comfortable at the food, at the meal that your bank account, your 28 bank account prime minister issue to the pick them, to the children in the education sector. Have you feel comfortable? You feel good out of season, girl. For your fellow virgin. Your fellow brethren them. The people of Jamaica, your citizens of Jamaica, asleep on cardboard in a hospital. And that will come talk about. Go talk about the road them when have the light. Crocodile, the road. Where people cannot see. Because with the proper light system, not around the island. And that you got to talk about. Don't play with me, don't play with me, boss. Don't play with Mr. Golden. Don't play with Mr. Jefferson Golden. Your Prime Minister wish he could have another inch. That Mark Golden integrity. The man is true and upright. The man is draining. The man is streety clean. Can you say that about your Prime Minister? You're right to talk about people come from international with credible represent credibility, and they under the much as they look and they cannot find nothing to put on your teeth in Prime Minister. You have a right, because the whole of no integrity and shame and on the footpath and on the walk on it. And on that Jamaica people do not going to walk on their shame and them integrity. See who know. That's support the Jamaica Labour Party. We are already have feel this high inflation. We are already see poverty in our plate. We are already frustrated by this arrogant government. So don't do that. We are in a serious crisis. Go speak to your 28 bank account leader to work for the health system. All those institutions that need the government attention, go and speak to him. The party leaders as Prime Minister, they have the people's purse. They have the people's purse. So don't fresh yourself. The integrity boss, as the opposition leader, the integrity boss, as the opposition leader, has defend the rights of the people for so many constitutional law that if the opposition did allow Andrew Holness to have his own way, your right been trampled on. Our right to under the Prime Minister foot bottom, just like our rights in the office of the Prime Minister. This is that human our rights go in our office. Just like recycle the Alibabas, criminal them and recycle them and put them back in front of the people. We want to know about this the 7 people that enrich themselves out of the taxpayers' purse. We want to know them. They have to come to the front of the class and let the people know. Now, Jamaica people are not working no criminal. But do not vote for no criminal. Every system that supposed to operate for the people of Jamaica, there are no service. No service from them. So can we hold ourselves? And that the Prime Minister wants, we hold ourselves accountable. Just like him in himself. Knows him a criminal. And he can't got court for people money. The taxpayers' money. In can't got court and him knows him guilty of charge. So what kind of deceitful leader do not have? What kind of hypocrisy government do not have? It's not working with the mass of the people of Jamaica. So all you in the comments, and not comment, me not people no comments on mine. Cause me not vote, me not vote for no roast cow, pan on grill. Me not vote for the 28 bank account. Me not vote for the breakdown system we're supposed to function for the people of Jamaica. Me not voting for no government supposed to take the people's purse and giving cronies and them friend them sweetheart deal out of the taxpayers' money, out of the taxpayers' purse. When the road supposed to be fixed, a sweetheart deal go on. Now man done. You're going to give what will becomes of the taxpayers' money? When you do a sweetheart deal. And I collect the taxpayers' money without no building, no benefit the people of Jamaica. One when they Richard Biles, the governor of the Bank of Jamaica, what you going to take taxpayers' money if you go buy another building? And the inflation is so high, you do nothing to make the people of Jamaica feel satisfied about the governance. Nothing at all you're not doing for the people of Jamaica to let them say, yeah, we are get value for money. That's how you come with nice. When you're not operating, you're not functioning properly. And that's why me say, I mean, now stop talking. The Alibaba system, that captain, by Andrew Holness, it becomes a whole truck that been parked up in a garage. We cannot we have no more service to give to Jamaica. We are tired of your arrogancy. Big up yourself, Road Anderson. We are tired of your arrogance. It is too much to bear, man. This is too much for the Jamaican people. The hard-working taxpayers pay. It is too much also be bearing. Taxpayers going to go to waste left, right, and center. Bye election. And when you know bye election, you know criminal it out and put in a bank account and put it offshore. Huh? What is the foolness is going on in Jamaica? And then you have people back in this arrogant Alibaba system, the Buffalo Soldier system, Peter Hood system, Nepotism and cronies is the system. Where are the rights of the people? Who are they standing up to defend this high inflation over the people them? And then the Alibaba system come round with their ash policies over the people of Jamaica. Who are there to hold the government accountable for it? The system is not working. It is malfunctioning. The school need furniture. The school need proper nutrition meal inside for the kids them. The system of the hospital is breakdown. We need bed and some serious pharmaceutical equipment. The health sector is not working for us. We want proper light system across the island. There are reptiles It's on the road and the people them cannot see them. So the government and the Alibaba system that Veniesha has been defending now, you're worse than them. Big up yourself, Opal. You are worse than them. So we can't bother with the Alibaba system. We need a governor, a government will make any time it work for the people. You deserve it. When you work for the people, you deserve the people them trust, you deserve the people them embracement. You deserve the heart of the people when you work for them. You cannot have the people of Jamaica been suffering like this. They're suffering left, right, and center in any capacity. High crime rate to kill them. Poor governance to kill them. And you can go on and on and on and on. What you expect us to do? What have you expect us to do? Vote for roast up and grill? Vote for man I walk with in a bye election. I walk with Haggard. I let in a that's governance. Huh? I want to put a ram goat soup, put on fire. That's governance. Well, Mr. Prime Minister, and who supported you, we are tired of the hypocrisy. We are tired of the fool system. We want to suffer the youths, we want to suffer the children. Entertainment sector died out. Nothing now going for the peanut man. Nothing now going for the cane man. Nothing now going for the jelly man. Nothing now going for the copy farmers them in our West Rural St. Andrew. Nothing not going on, Mr. Prime Minister. Mr. Alibaba. Nothing not going. The people in dire distress. We are anger. We are bitter. Because every day, inflation, a beat with left, right, and center. And that's all you can do of Veniesha. Phillips come and take his bag of garbage. That's all that's governance. If I truly turn away from a system that I've been support for years and years, if I'm gonna turn to another system, the other system is supposed to be working. It must be some policies and way we can see, say, all right, yo, make we can try. The mass of the people have seen when the system that you go to and try to make yourself be earned, your voice to be earned. It's not working. The mass of the people of Jamaica have to say the system we are dying is a Alibaba system, it's a hold-on system. Remember the Alibaba system that you go support, where you go support. He take away the beach from us. He take away the river from us. He take away the stream from us. He take away our daily life from us. That is cripple the local industry. What benefit have you get from the Prime Minister? But 28 bank of arrogancy. That's what we get from this Prime Minister. He a poor government policy. When we talk no dog bark, we're not going to sit by and allow you, Alibaba, and your wholeness. Done, Veniesha to come with a nonsense to represent on the Alibaba system. But what I can tell you, Veniesha Phillips, the captain ship is sinking right on a grass straw. And not because Sir Blessings speaking so strongly out. We tired, ignorant against the system that you create upon the people. Veniesha Phillips, you were a part of Portia Simpson administration. You were one of the persons who come and speak and some interview about the People's National Party. You go on some platform and you was defending the People's National Party. And so you say you're a liar. You say you're a deceiver. Eh? So how can you be trusted? You change God. How can you be trusted? Nothing na go on. Una no Alibaba massive, nothing na go on. Una Alibaba system, nothing na go on. Your Alibaba Prime Minister put an embargo upon funeral. He put an embargo upon church. He put an embargo upon the people's daily movements. And yet, you can have your politician, them going around and break all laws. Break all laws of this country. And nothing. And the artist thing about it, when you use the taxpayers' money, when you go in a taxpayers' purse and waste it, and they're going to still come up with the people. Them. When the state of the security forces working against the people of Jamaica. Because first I ever see so much arrogance of the security force of Jamaica against the youths. Them. They are very arrogant. Sometimes you have to wonder. I see two youth ride bike and they stop the youth. And when you look the way they deal with the youth, they think an hard criminal. How they handcuff them, how they behave. And it's just a little traffic violation. It's just a little traffic violation. And the way the security force of the state that deal with the youth them. Imagine if I something more serious than that what them do to the youth them. You know, imagine Jamaica people, I am glad to see the intention of the voters. I'm very impressed of it to know that the people of Jamaica have been waking up. Must up, big up yourself. I'm glad that the people of Jamaica waking up. But hear me though, I'm going to open the phone line to want to come and make the contribution. Come on, next week. Arrogant like a prime minister. Arrogant like a prime minister. Don't be illiterate like a prime minister. Your prime minister is very illiterate. Your prime minister, very illiterate. That type of government badness now work. That type of who power takes its all now work. The system now work. The taxpayer purse supposed to make sense. What about the light across the island? What about the road across the island? What about the hospital across the island? What about the school across the island? What about the governance the agency across the island? What's working? What is working for the people of Jamaica? High inflation and crime. And poor governance. I will not stop beat it until I'm a bend. Until we see the back of this arrogant prime minister. You're a joning man and a grass straw. Every day you come and speak about the PNP 18 years. But you to remember that is the PNP bring a proper transportation system. You to remember that is the PNP bring some proper infrastructure right across the island. You to remember that is the PNP put the people's first. You need to remember that the PNP come fair and square to the people of Jamaica. You are telling us about one sitting named Sparks. Sparks. What is Sparks? What is Sparks? What is Sparks? We don't see nothing as Sparks with the Prime Minister. Your 20 bank account are bling, bling, bling. And your arrogant policies. And your friend, your cloning, and your friend, illicit enrichment of the people them of Jamaica. We need proper governance. And we're going to hold you accountable. For the Barber Massive, Buffalo Soldier group. We're going to hold you accountable at the poll. No, shameless. I could never defend the Jamaica Labour Party. I could never. When I arrogant from on a crate. From establishing himself as the Jamaica Lion Party. On a wicked and arrogant to the people of Jamaica. But someone to swap out education with saltfish. Swap out education with saltfish. So you must get a arrogant nation. Remember the Cubans, them bring school. They bring talent to our Caribbean island. They bring a lot of goodies in the 70s and in the 80s with the people of Jamaica. And your arrogant leader, Edward Jasiaga, run them out of the country. Tell them that they're 24 hours. Because when we're a part of the CIA. So, support Reagan. Nothing that one. Only support the Reagan policy to make Jamaica be decentralized from 1980 until now. The PNP tried their best and do their best to put Jamaica on top. The Porsche-led administration tell you that 2011, when Bruce Golding take the country from 2007, mash it up. When Bruce Golding take the country, 2007, was mash up and wreck everything. No, everything been mashed up. If your economy been crippled, the country mash up. High inflation, high crime rate. How many security minister been changed under the leadership of Bruce Golding? How many finance minister been changed under the leadership of Bruce Golding? How many ministers and how many times you go around and shock parliament and you still couldn't get it right and you never get it right? This is the same thing with this arrogant prime minister. You will never get it right because I don't know no believe they enrich themselves of the taxpayers' money. In the taxpayer, according to the taxpayers first, and make it be beneficial to Tono and the cronies. Enough is enough. We are no government policy to benefit the people of Jamaica. Where it is. We can't benefit on your 28 bank account and you own it. Those low income earning unit that will provide for the people across the length and breadth of Jamaica. Then they're the low income units. Eh? We want to security guard of go find 18 million, 20 million, 20 million dollars for those units. I see parts of platform and I see they were showcasing some unfinished units. Just the wall been struck up and some look struck up on the top of the house. And you how much million for that? You know million for that? Over 14, 16 million dollars. Tell me God Almighty truth. On the poor people. On the poor people. Eh? On the poor people. We poor people. Tell me now. A man in a security work and say he might get $80,000 for in fortnight salary. When can he become the owner of one of those units? $16 million. Eh? You take away everything from it, we that you can dream that again. So if you go on your bed, you that you can dream all your dreams is and your wellness, what next? What next? What next? What next? Eh? What next? We're tired of this arrogant style of the Prime Minister. You're no more. You're not a Prime Minister. You're not a Prime Minister. You have a country that under this high crime rate, and yet you take up our security them and send them away to a different land to go and fight against the people's them right in Haiti. You just like the capital is in what that going on into Haiti, and you just still not tell the people them. Just sell out the people and send them over there. You collect the money. You collect the money of my people them. And when you go to send the other batch, when you are going to send the next batch, I know they say it's supposed to be about 100 and add police and almost soldier over there. And you know, this bird was 20 of them already and 4 soldier. Huh? Come on, man. This thing is from bad to worse. We no more rock up and grill. We're not voting and getting enough people come and tell us nonsense about dopey baby coming in as a ball and I tell you say if FEMA administration was in power, they would have been alive. You come and confess to the people of Jamaica, so you sin against them, you sin against the unborn, you're wicked. You are a wicked man. I wonder how you sleep. I wonder how you sleep. You sin against the unborn. You sin against the children of Jamaica. When you sin against so many, when there are so many issues that you sin against, and you can name them out, and you do that, you was not sensitive about what you were saying. Because at the end of the day, when you're bad, I tell people about your sin against the unborn and sin against Jamaica people. You know that you have 28 bank account and take with the charity money. You have 28 bank account and you take with the charity money. And your asset that you have got to be certified by the IC. So if you're serious about it, you have to declare all those things. And you have to apologize to the people. They must tell me that knows that you're sincere. But you love money and you sell out the country. You sell out the country, you are a Illuminati system. Alibaba. You got court for people their money and your wife got court for people them land. With no apology. No apology. You understand me? I say, and we want to know. We want to know. We want to know the next The next 7 person, we want to know them. The people of Jamaica need to know who them going to vote for. Because some of thief and criminal. Rose, what's up?
I'm here, comrade.
Or your Sunday afternoon.
Good so far, not too long come from work.
Happy to know that you're safe, comrade.
Yes, comrade, you too.
Yeah.
Me just went upon one live with father something and other going to Portland. Boy, comrade, me I tell you, the road black going up. Yeah.
Wow. The people them wake up, man. The people them wake up.
Yeah.
Me want to do one live this man, comrade. Cause I would have listen to a pass to one a topic platform and tune in on what I rebroadcast show. And when I hear Veniesha Phillips I speak about my party leader, I say, man, if you come in and say, keep a blood through me. But I say, yeah, me go work and come back for him. Me go work and come back with a girl there. Because it hurt me. Hurt me bad.
Me not even like fear Jamaica labor. Me not even like fear JLP name call. Not even green me not love to see.
We not, but anyway, you check it out. Them a Alibaba, massive. Them a Buffalo soldier policy. You can go on and on with them. So them Buffalo style, them soldier style, we not work with it.
Everton Jarrett.
No.
PNP Cuban light bulb.
Since you know, until the moderator, the batty boy in the court, you know. Boy, got picture about that moment, you know.
It don't really matter, you know. Tell me one thing.
Boy, go look about your mama. I tell me, Andrew, only 28 bank account, them come make we get life on the road. And make we get the health sector them up and running. Go and go look about your mama, tell me, can find that bank account for me now.
I'm saying I'm sitting to him, man. Yeah.
That's what we got to do. You're a junker, go and pitch.
We don't fear them, no, comrade. Shame, then shame.
Yeah. Shameless. So when the batty boy tell me, the boy. Alan, I comment, I say something about him, because I don't look at him, I'm not busy with him, you know. A dark shit, you know.
Yeah, man, I come and one thing come up in my box, man.
But me invite, you know what time I invite him in my box? How much time I invite that Django without with that, come up in my box and talk to people. Come tell me about the issues. Come tell me why Andrew is going to win back again. Come give me some reasonable. Come make a point that makes sense to the people them. Why Andrew is supposed to win back again? Come now.
Hungry good that they kill him, they know. Hungry.
And then walk and beg.
Of course.
One council boy will say my labor right and he take a whole of my money and got a story with it. And then say my labor right.
Yeah, they.
Take a whole of the money around. You know how you look at sad about batty boy. And the boy take my money and gone up foreign. Take my councillor. And take my money.
You have no contact for him?
No, me not no contact for him.
You have to give me.
On bring prosperity. You say you one and a half scammer and wicked. One and a half scammer and wicked for the Jamaica Labour Party.
He love Anto today because he one of them.
We're going to put a fire. Well, make up your point, baby.
He say love Andrew, for Andrew are one of them. Love Batman.
I just straight Batman, you know. Nobody can't tell me nothing, you know. I just straight Batman. You take yourself to that court. This is your wicked guy, or wicked is a guy and be a fear. Put your coconut my eye. You rob the money from the taxpayers them. And you know so you're guilty. And you still take a kind of court. Wasting of taxpayers
Me I
money.
tell him if he come in a box, like I done him.
And I tell him, but you know what time I tell the boy to come in the box and not come. Winston, big up yourself. The ring that mentioned. But you are different policy, man. But who speak for the PNP? Who you shame with? Come up with some point and some topic and shame with. But I'm make a stop talk. Come up with some point, some point that makes sense. Veniesha Phillips was there. Veniesha Phillips was there.
Yeah.
But the People's National Party. And he said the party don't come be a part of what's the lie, deceiving, wicked and arrogant. And it becomes a part of it now. And then you come up and now integrity boss. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because you're not moving back up and the people of Jamaica. You run like a diligent. You run like a diligent. Now, when you become the traitor to the people that put you where you are, and you turn your back on them, you don't have no credibility anymore. You're a backstabber and a backbiter. So go one side and go sit and wrap your back here and lick your home till it get better. You ain't there, big up yourself. Apostle, big up yourself. Apostle, we ain't big up
Go
yourself.
look work.
Big
You
up
figure
yourself.
look work.
Big up yourself. Your counter boy rob me. I rob me right from when he rob me. I batty me sell him.
You figure look work. You a thief, batty boy. But we figure look work.
Big up your mind now. Big up your mind. In you can be in the platform. You can be in the message. Maybe I send it to people. The people of Jamaica made better from the chief and prime minister. We have a look. I'm having a look at young man last night from program, and the very general I tell you about our West Rural, where Jamaica Belfast are, West Rural.
I don't know, you know.
West Rural, and the man I tell you what the Jamaica Labour Party been done to the capping farmer. Nobody not busy when you come out to the Jamaica Labour Party. When they vote them in, they're not busy really again because they don't get this a roast call from a day. They don't give you a soup, go in them, voted soup, and then they give us $15,000.
See somebody come and say PNP them better off than you uno thief.
They're not busy with you again. You see, they're not busy with you again. So we are here to dissect and make the real reality come out in the dominant public. Make your prime minister come out and speak the truth to the people of Jamaica and tell them the benefit when they from the People's National Party under the 18.5 years. A chief and prime minister wanna defend. with the arrogant style, the Alibaba. The warm back with money and tell you that only to give back the people in land. The car on the car take everything for the people of Jamaica. And all the sweetheart deal on that give. Now man done and them set of people. We want back the taxpayers money. We can put life across the island. We can
And the comrade say Portland black already.
whoa, Jaja. Oh, Isaac thing now.
Yeah.
Pick up on yourself. East Portland people. Pick up on
That
yourself.
then they tell us say me the power and live when them a Chabri Road block they go up.
Okay.
But he say he live I go hen so no no.
Okay. Then
I make up on somebody else live when they at Portland. May I tell you what people already and then just a build up his stage.
yeah. Liberate and lose it and then last it. The 20-year bank account where the Prime Minister have, and then lose it. The rundown of the country, liberate and lose it. The economy can't do it, and lose it, liberate. The dirty fool up in a place against court, them, when they lose it, liberate. And then last it. The whole of the street and stink across the island, liberate and lose it, and then last it. The harassment by Alibaba and Buffalo for the policy. We don't lose it, liberate, and last it. I mean, big up yourself. I mean, big up yourself. The big yourself.
Action and can lose. Where action and run?
Actually, I'm against Isaac.
Shame or not shame?
I come on, you know. You know, come on. So, you know, you don't have to do it. No, right. This is my party boy. Don't feel like a fly on the wall and pitch, man. And go have some sense. Only represent service for education. Only represent roast meat for integrity. And that's what I do. Only represent voted soap, accountability. That's what I do. We prepare. We prepare to hold the government
Me prepare too.
and anything on our
Yes.
plan to bring on to all the people that going to make the decision. Come, we're ready. So bring it on. Let's bring it on. But we don't feel like they're going to come on a fear and check, make we fear. We don't depend that, we don't know.
We know we are gonna give flight green and horse na St. Elizabeth.
What is about that?
What you say, comrade?
What is about Calvin?
We are gonna give him a horse no for St. Elizabeth there.
And that's your constituency?
Yeah,
Okay.
Miranda Wellington.
Oh, yeah, me see I go on nice.
What? Can cribbage to corner.
Yeah. But I Friday. When you go deal with the agricultural sector, you're in a hotel with the taxpayers' money and I celebrate and the people man that stress. And a lot of the people man they
Everywhere,
are right. The
everywhere,
tax,
everywhere dance, him a selector. Everywhere dance, a flight green did it.
yeah.
A DJ for Mike, ton selector.
We're tired of now. The school that needs to be fixed. I don't know they call it a police station. I don't know where it is, But them use about $1 million, on the fiction and I get and
Santa Cruz police station outside they happy they do them thing.
that's cry, man. If you go and fall on speedboat, every used to go to the internet at the police station. That's what all taxpayers get valid for money under this Alibaba system government. If you don't want the money, I want the land, do like all this. If you don't want the land, and the all these people don't want the money, you can't get
Right
it.
now bolt right
And then
now
just
bolt
get it.
every turn you turn pan TikTok a bolt say you want in money, bolt money.
What now the thing right here? What the sack on top? But you say, but we will ever them and save your money. Then we ready. You make up in the march up your money. But come march the people them house for your money. Just say when
Where
you're
the
ready.
batty boy they know where batty
Yeah.
boy they know go and go find something do. Hungry good and they kill him.
The pay the mind, man. The pay the mind. Am I right? Is attention in my look? Is attention in my look?
Go and go fuck. Go and go frig and jewelness.
Yeah, man. Don't think I'm ready for your money. You cannot take action. We're ready to demonstrate for your money. The excitement of you.
Yeah.
It's hard for your money. All you want to make it get for your money.